Hello you guys, welcome to my video. This week we are going to do Valentine's makeup. I've spent like 5 hours doing this makeup, so the video is not going to be 5 hours, don't worry. So just to make it quicker, please see how, if you want to know how to make this makeup, please see the video. The foundation I'm going to be using today is Huda Beauty. And that foundation is in the shade Vanilla 120B. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it on the sponge. I think it's the sponge that I showed you in my Christmas haul video. So it's the sponge from Brushworks, I think the brand is called. So you can see, there we go. So that's the foundation. So the concealer that I'm gonna be using is Essence Camouflage Concealer, full coverage concealer. We're gonna see. Gonna see if it's full coverage. I don't know. In itself. Okay. The thing that we're going to do now is I'm going to use a powder, and the powder is from a brand called Kiko, and the name of the product is Radiant Fusion Baked Powder, and it's in the shade 01, so it's the lightest. So now we're going to do eyes. So as a first eyeshadow, we're going to use Too Faced White Chocolate Bar Eyeshadow Palette. And we're going to use eyeshadow that's called Raspberry Rose, which is this one in here. And I'm just gonna use the flat brush like this. I don't know what the brand of this brush is. I bought it like 100 million years ago, which is basically a So we're just gonna use the eyeshadow as a base, so it gives you a little bit of a pink shade. Now we're going to use the Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, and we're going to use eyeshadow Crisp. We're gonna use the same brush. And we're only gonna reach until our crease, so it causes like an eyeshadow, like a layers, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna take another Too Faced palette, which is called A Girl's Best Friend eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, and that palette looks like that. And we're going to use this eyeshadow here, and this eyeshadow name is Love is Love. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use a brush like this that's not too thin, but it's not too thick, and if you can see, it has that sort of angled, yeah, it's angled brush. I think it's even called angled brush. Defining eye brush. And we're going to take a little bit of that eyeshadow here. We're going to apply it in our crease, like that. And a little bit of a pink in here. And we're gonna blend it. And to blend it, I'm gonna use, I don't know, but I know this brush is from MAC. I think it's just called blending brush. I think it's the number of it is 270, but I'm not sure. We're gonna do cat crease now. And in order to do so, I need my concealer bag. So again, I'm gonna be using Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. We're gonna adjust a little bit in the middle of our eyelid, so in here, a little bit in here. If you're using a new concealer, always add a little bit, because if you add too little, you can always add some more. But if you add too much, it's really hard to fix that. You can add some more, definitely more. So you've got sort of very specific sharp line in here. And we're gonna do the other eye now. So now I'm gonna take another Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and it's called Chocolate Bonbon, and we're gonna use the eyeshadow called Cotton Candy, and I'm gonna use the brush from the Body Shop, and it's called just eyeshadow brush. Okay, simple. And I'm gonna apply it. I love it. So to do that thing that I want to do, I will need Duraline, and to do so we're gonna use Estee Lauder double brow brush. So now I'm going to use the eyeshadow from Sleek Makeup Palette Acid 570, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow, and we will see if it's pigmented enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna scrub a little bit off, like that. I'm gonna tap it, so got all that eyeshadow in here, and I'm gonna be using a little bit, not even a drop. Of the Duraline. You can see there's a drop of Duraline in the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna mix it. What I'm gonna do a line in my cut crease. Can you see it? And I'm gonna do the other one in here. So this is basically what the lines look like. I'm gonna do the lines again, but now we're going to do the lines where the eyeliner would be. So the lines look like this. So my idea now was to make a red heart at the top. Oh, I've got the little heart in there. So to do that little heart at the end, I've used palette Glory from Sleek, and I've used the eyeshadow. I've used this eyeshadow. So this is our hearts. Now we're going to do the eyelashes, false eyelashes, and I'm thinking between those ones and those ones. So we're going to use the flatter one. I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner on my eyes, and it's going to be Huda Beauty Lifeliner Quick and Easy. Just a little bit. Now what I really want to do, this little heart. Yeah, like a little cloud in here. So the eyeshadow to do that I'm using is Love is Love from Too Faced palette, the animal one. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to do the heart inside out. Inside that cloud, like this. Oh yeah, and to do so I'm gonna use this eye brush that's quite thin and very small. So now we're going to apply the eyeshadow from the palette Ultra Matte V1730 from Sleek Eye Divine, and the eyeshadow that I'm going to use is this one in here. I just realized I didn't put anything under my lower eyelid, and we're gonna come back to palette Glory 767 and Eye Divine Sleek, and it's going to be the same eyeshadow that I've used to make those hearts, and it's this red eyeshadow, and we're going to use a very thin brush. I'm going to use an angled brush from e.l.f. again, and it's defining eye brush. I'm gonna do eyebrows and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay, so this is my eyebrows done. When I was doing my eyebrows, I thought the perfect eye lips would be red eyeliner. So the liner I'm going to use is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in a shade 69. I'm like, hello, this is I mean, can it be better? No, it can't. So I'm gonna use that one now. We're going to fill those lips up with lipstick. And the lipstick that I'm using to fill it up is Kat Von D, and the shade is Backstage Bambi. So the third lipstick that I've put on is Kat Von D Lovesick. Sorry, I forgot to say. I think this is it, guys. I'm not going to contour my face because there'll be just too much going on. And also, I just wanted to let you know, I know it looks like a lot, but you can always skip one of those things. Like, you don't have to do lips like this. You don't have to do those hearts. You don't have to do the heart and heat. You don't have to do anything of that. But I just thought I wanted to show you different things that you can do on your face that's connected with the Valentines. Like, if you really don't like very strong eye makeup, you can just do the lips and just the normal eye makeup. I hope you loved this video. I'm gonna now style up my hair so you will see how it would look like if you went full on with the hair done. I'll see you in a second. So this is what I look like. This is how I styled. I curled my hair a little bit, and I've added the heart-shaped beret. If you want to see how the heart-shaped beret looks like, please visit my Instagram because I've taken a picture from the back. The details of my Instagram are going to be posted probably in the description of this video. So this is how my makeup looks like from this side and from this side. This is what the eye looks like. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you wanna get notification about the future videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button next to it so you will get a notification, because if you just hit the subscribe button, you are very unlikely to get notification. You just subscribe to the channel. I know it's very weird, but you need to hit both of those things. Please leave a comment what you think and what you're gonna do for your Valentine's Day, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you next week. Bye.